working on this Firkin here, and I'm doing the handle right now. I just pulled this piece of walnut out of the, here's the thing without the handle. Now the handle's going to connect connect to the lower part here, but I've got to bend it, and I've just brought it out of the steam bender, and I'm hoping that this will work. It's 3/16 thick. Walnut, and I want to get around that corner. I want to be a little bit centered here, so I'm going to pull that in, and I've got a couple clamps ready to hopefully hold this thing. And I'm going to put a clamp right here. And then bring this around. And then I'm going to pull a clamp down here. Let's see how I'm going to get into here. I'm going to turn that the other way. See if I can get this pulled in here. And that should do it. Let me, yeah, no cracks and splits or anything. I don't like that this clamp is a small face. It'll dent in the top there. I'm going to just put a strip of wood up there. Maybe that'll be a little bit less likely to dent the handle. That's gonna work okay. So I'll leave that for a little bit, and then I'll pull it off the bench, but I'll probably have a rope around the corners here to hold this, and it'll sit that way for a couple days before I can take the rope off. So I think everything is good here. I can probably, well, I can remove this from the bench and leave the clamps on. But that'll work.